Yeah, I look pretty innocent. Thank you. Thank you, Christopher. Thank you. Oh, thanks, Ray. I think so. I mean, before, like an hour ago, it was better, but I think now it's just all Filipino men, and they're just all being weird. And I can't understand half of them, so it's making this a very boring live now, I feel like. I'm like... I tried to pin a comment and then it went away, so... What does it mean that I'm in League D4? Like, what does that mean? What's up, guys? I'm Gracie. Thanks, Ben, for the follow. Hey, Rich. Hi. From the US. Hi. I'm pretty good. How are you, Omar? I've been that, Christian. Thanks for sharing the live, Norman. Thanks for liking it too. Love a good man that knows how to like a live. La-di-da-di-da. Thank you, Ray. It's probably my favorite tattoo that I have.